Hi guys, I've taken those Epsom salt crystals out of the jar and put them on some paper so we can try and get a clearer look at them. I've also got the USB microscope, the Wi-Fi USB microscope looking at them, and that's currently recording to my phone via the Wi-Fi. So we'll have two looks at it at the same time. I'll just zoom in a bit with the camera, the Canon. Just so we've got the general idea. At the same time we're looking at it with the microscope. So I'll now move the microscope around a bit, but I'll keep the Canon camera running so we've got the audio. I'm mainly focusing on that larger crystal that's sticking up. Trying to get really close in on it. Try it without the cover on it. I'll zoom back a bit so you can see what I'm talking about. Right, I've taken that plastic cover off the end. That's a tip from Atomic Shrimp. He suggested doing that to get really close up. We're looking at the surface of that crystal. We're trying to. Now, for some reason I'm viewing the picture on the microscope upside down. And that's confusing me when I'm trying to get focused on the end of it. Upside down and backwards. That's very confusing. Hi guys, we're looking at my finger. I'm trying to get a picture of this crystal, but I'm having no end of trouble trying to get the focus right. So I'm on manual focus at the moment, using my finger as a gauge, but it's the crystal in front of it that we're trying to look at. Now, I think that's just gone moved out of focus. And it shouldn't be because I'm on manual focus. I'm trying to do it with the USB microscope as well, the Wi-Fi microscope. I'm having just as much trouble. Right, I'm trying to get the microscope to look at that large crystal, trying to focus on the surface of it. That'll have to do. I really cannot see whether it's in focus or not because the screen is obscured by daylight.
Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.